Sophie is wearing. Sophie is wearing a new purple dress. She will wear the new purple dress all day long. Sophie is wearing a big grey jumper. She will wear the big grey jumper all day long. Sophie is wearing a long turquoise scarf. She will wear the long turquoise scarf all day long. Sophie is wearing 2 old yellow shoes. She will wear the 2 old yellow shoes all day long. Nå skal vi se litt på de nye ordene fra teksten. Disse må du lære deg. Is wearing. Det betyr på norsk har på seg. Will wear. Det betyr vil ha på seg. All day long. Det betyr dagen lang, eller hele dagen.